pineal gland activation and DMT release pranayama technique. So what is this technique about? Nowadays people trying so many different ways to access the pineal gland, to release DMT. But the secret with DMT is it's nothing external. You don't need to take ayahuasca or take some shamanic herbs or whatsoever. The real experience you get only when you go deep within, through meditation or with the help of pranayama techniques. So stop looking for any drugs to get high. Why don't you get high on your own supply? Namaste, my friends. Welcome back. Today's pranayama technique is called Bhastrika pranayama. And Bhastrika means the bellows breath or the breath of fire. I already released a video about Bhastrika where I explain more in detail all the various benefits, where this technique came from, precautions to take. But in short, Bhastrika means active inhalation, active exhalation. 1 second in, 1 second out. Half a second in, half a second out. 2 seconds in, 2 seconds out. Always the same amount of inhalation and exhalation. And you focus only on the belly, on this area. And the inhalation and the exhalation are active, other than Kapalabhati, where you only have a forced exhalation and a passive inhalation. You're going to do 3 rounds. The first round, 10 breaths. Second round, 15 breaths. And the third round, 30 breaths. So you're going to inhale fully. Lion's breath out means you get all the gas out of the system, tongue out, and breathe out to the mouth. Inhale and start with the exhalation. 10 times. On the 11th breath, you exhale fully, all the air out. Hold the breath for 1 to 2 seconds. Then you inhale fully. Hold the breath. Perineal muscle, the Mula Bandha. Squeeze all the energy up along your Sushumna Nadi, the main energy channel in your body, and all the way up to the third eye. And then you focus on the Mula Bandha and at the same time on the third eye. And then you connect these 2 points and feel how the energy is rising. It's not just an external exercise. Go deeply inside and imagine how the Shakti, all the energy comes up and expands in the third eye. And then you can feel already how the DMT releases. And then just observe what is happening inside of you. When I watched this video first in YouTube, I learned it in that way that you inhale fully and then you squeeze. But that's very dangerous. I practiced it myself for over 1 year in the wrong way. You should always fully exhale. When you perform strong pranayama techniques like Bhastrika, Kapalabhati, strong yogic breathing, Wim Hof breathing, then you should always fully exhale and then inhale and hold. Otherwise you can damage your brain. That's why you get dizzy, because you're hyperventilating and then you hold the breath and then you get dizzy and you faint. And it can be very dangerous, especially when you have your eyes closed, you sit somewhere and you just faint and then you hit your head or you damage your brain. So take it very easy. Don't do this technique when you're pregnant, when you have high blood pressure, or any recent surgery around the heart area. Please keep in mind, we want to get energized, grounded, and calm the mind at the same time. So we focus on the squeezing of the Mula Bandha, of the root chakra, all the way up to the third eye, and then you hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. I also recommend you to sit on your knees. You can put your cushion underneath, or you just sit on the floor. If you can, of course, you can also do it on a chair or you sit cross-legged. But I recommend you to sit on the knees, because then you can really open up the diaphragm, that the prana can freely move up to the higher realms. Okay, we're gonna do 3 rounds. Don't pass out, focus on the breathing, and this will help you to align the body, the mind, and the breath. Start with an inhalation. Exhale, lion's breath out. Inhale and go. Exhale, hold for 1-2 seconds. Then inhale fully and hold. Squeeze the perineum all the way up to your third eye and focus on both points. Hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. No pressure, no pushing. Just relax. Relax your body. Relax your face muscles, your shoulders, your sitting muscles. And just squeeze the perineum and focus on the third eye. You shouldn't feel too much dizzy, shortness of breath. Just go as far as you can and enjoy the exercise. Opening up the energy system, the nervous system, and releasing, calming down the mind and calming down the nervous system again. Okay, whenever you feel the urge to breathe, let go of the Mula Bandha, exhale, and find your own breathing rhythm again. I can already see the shift of consciousness only after one round. After 3 rounds or even more, you can really go deep. It's a very nice practice. Let's keep doing it for 2 more times. Second round, we're gonna do 15 breaths. Exhale on the 16. Hold the breath for 2 seconds. Inhale, hold again. Inhale, lion's breath out. In. Fully out. Hold the breath for 2 seconds. Inhale fully. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Focus all the energy, all the blood flow, all the prana up to the third eye. And hold. Squeeze both points. And focus on the connection within. Hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. Don't force yourself too much. Find the calmness in the practice. You can't do anything wrong here. We're just learning, we're just experimenting. And hold the breath. Go a little bit over your stretching zone, but avoid the pain zone. And release the Mula Bandha and find your own breathing rhythm again. Wonderful. Second round, already a bit deeper. Body is more relaxed, the mind is more relaxed, the connection inside is more present. Okay, round number 3, we're gonna do 20 breaths. Exhale on the 21st breath, hold for 2 seconds, inhale fully, hold the breath. Okay, inhale, lion's breath out. And go. Fully out. Inhale fully. And hold the breath. Squeeze the Mula Bandha, the perineal muscle, and focus on the third eye as long as you comfortably can. And relax into the breath hold. No need for any pressure. Just release and relax and find the peace within. You're fully oxygenated, your lungs are filled with air, so no worries. You can hold the breath a bit longer if you can. Otherwise, release the Mula Bandha and find your own breathing rhythm whenever it feels right to you. And keep your eyes closed. Find your own breathing rhythm. You can sit cross-legged again if it feels more comfortable for you. Otherwise, continue sitting on your knees. Keep your spine straight, the rest of the body relaxed. Your shoulders, your arms relaxed, your sitting muscles, your face muscles, your skull, your forehead, your eyelids. And keep a gentle smile on your lips. Smile into yourself. Just feel the energy, the blood flow. Wonderful. Slowly open your eyes again. A wonderful technique, especially when you don't have much time during the day, in the morning. You just do 3 rounds of this technique. Takes you maybe 5 minutes. Get the energy, get the prana, get high on your own supply. And then for 1-2 minutes, let everything settle, ground yourself, focus on within, and bring this state of awareness, consciousness, and energy with you during the day. And you will change your whole environment. Everyone comes in touch with you, your work, your projects, if you do sport, if you study, whatever you do, try to be at the best at every moment. And this technique is a great key to unlock your superpowers within. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please support us by subscribing to our channel so that you can get updated with new videos, and to help us to reach out to as many people as possible and to show them how wonderful it can be to just take a breath. In this video, I show you my favorite pranayama technique, so don't miss this one.